Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hopes all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, today I am back with another collection ideas about Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are very attractive. Dear viewers, today in my video you can see such a unique and beautiful idea. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for you. Keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy.